indirect. Direct speech and indirect speech. For example, he said to me, I'm reading a book. This is direct speech. This is direct sentence. He said to me, I'm reading a book. So, how we will be making this type of sentence? This is subject. This is object. This is a reporter. This is a reported verb. From this to this. This is the reported speech. This is the reported speech. And in this we use the noun, helping verb, main verb. Then this is object. Reported speech, the reported verb, the reported speech. Now this is, we will be converting from direct to indirect speech. So said to will be converted into told. He told me. When we are just removing these inverted commas, इसको जब हम remove करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं? Connective लगाएंगे that. Now this is first person pronoun I. I will be changing according to subject. Subject is he. Now you see it will be he. I will be followed by am. He is followed by is. Here we placed am. So in place of am we will be placing here was. Because we are talking in past tense. So here we will be placing was. Reading a book. This is very simple sentence. This is direct, indirect. Direct and indirect. Direct and indirect. Now I'll write one more sentence here, present indefinite. He says to him. I go to Jammu. I go to Jammu. You see. Now this is direct. Now we will be asked, okay, you change this. Says to shall be converted into tells. He tells him. Now connective we will be using that. This is first person pronoun, it will change according to subject. The subject is he. Then you see I is followed by go. He is followed by goes. He goes Jammu. This is sentence. So these are simple sentences. We will simple sentences. There are 5 type of sentences. So these are simple sentences which we are doing. I will write a difficult sentence. He said, "Sir, I'm ill." This is simple sentence. I'm ill. So here we will be using, this is very simple, but we have to use our common sense. Sir will be replaced by not told. You see here, he said respectfully. Respectfully. He said respectfully that I is first person pronoun, it will change according to subject. Subject is he. Now we will be using he. We are talking in past tense. So in place of am we will be using was. He was ill. This is very simple sentence. One more example we can quote. You said, he said, the cat was running. The cat was running. The cat was chasing कर लेना. While the rat was running. In this type of sentence, we will never be changing. There is no change because the while is indicating that there is simultaneous action. So simple. He said that the cat was chasing while the rat was running. Simple. So sometimes we may be using a rule, sometimes there are exceptional. One more sentence I can quote here. Exceptional sentence. You see here, he said, I must go now. I must go now. This is very simple. But when we are changing it, it will bit difficult for all the students. So we have to change this sentence in this manner. He said that. Now you see, must, how we will be replacing must. Must is always being replaced by has to or have to. I is replaced by have to. So this is first person pronoun, it will change according to subject. Subject is he. You see here, he. Now I is followed by have to, he is followed by has to. So there is a past tense, so we will be using had to. He had to go. He had to go. Now will be changing into that. He had to go there. This is exceptional sentence. So you must know these type of sentences in simple. Although this is very simple, yet it is complicated. We will have to see all the things. You see here. One more sentence. He said, I worked in this factory for 12 years. 12 years. Here is past indefinite tense. We are talking in past. Time has been indicated, so there will be no change therein. In this condition, जब ऐसी स्थिति में सेंटेंस हो तो हम कभी भी इसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो सिंपल हम लिखेंगे he said that. pronoun change होगा, that will change. He worked in this factory, in that factory for 12 years. Simple. If we see as a general rule है, this is this can be converted. अगर simple होता, if time is not there, तो simple I work in this factory. Simple. So then he said that he had worked in this factory, in that factory. But here we are talking in past tense, past indefinite hand. Time has been indicated. So when we are converting direct into indirect, so there is need not to change. It will be placed as it is. But pronoun will be changing. So these are most important, sentences in simple sentence. हमारे माइंड में ये है कि ये सिंपल सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, हम कर लेते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हैं हमारे दिमाग में नहीं होती हैं. तो ये टिप्स होते हैं, ये टिप्स जिसको पता है वो 100% मार्क्स फैच करता है. He will be fetching 100% marks. He knows that how to. सर जो है respectfully replace करना है. Wherever you see the sir, that will be replaced with the respectful. Must, wherever you see the must और past में है तो must will be replaced by has to, have to. So these are most important. One more example we can discuss. He said to his friend. He said to his friend, I have taken my breakfast. I have taken my breakfast. You see here, How this can be converted? You see here, said will be converted into told. He told his friend. He told his friend that I will be replaced. First person pronoun will change according to subject. Second person change according to object. Third person, there will be no change there in third person. I is followed by my. He is followed by his. You is followed by your. There is followed by there. So you have to have clear mind while changing. You see here I is replaced by he. Now you see here he, we are talking in past. So here we will be using had. He had taken his breakfast. I is followed by my, he is followed by his. He had taken his breakfast. He had taken his breakfast. So these things are definitely followed. Did you understand it? For example, one more sentence I will write. They said, they will enjoy a party. You see here. Now they said that they is third person. This will not be changed. So they would enjoy. Will be converted into would. Because we are talking in past. We would enjoy a party. These are the simple sentences. Did you understand?